Baby, you such a vibe. Baby, you my type. I could end up with your baby if you stay tonight. Don't start to act shy. Show me the other.
All right, what's going on, guys? So I wanted to go ahead and show you one of our products, and it's called Liberty. So when it comes to our products, understand that it's supposed to make it easier for you to get in and out of trades. And so with me being able to learn the skill set of trading over the last 2 years, I find that this product was the one that I could understand the most, right? So what I'm going to do is explain to you how to actually read this product, because I like to show that, trading can be simple. It doesn't have to be overly complicated as long as you know how to read the products, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you just over on the right-hand side is where our currency pairs are. And you can pick and choose which currency pairs you want to focus on. But there is a strategy that we do go by. So the strategy that I've learned is called cash trap, but now we call it market trap. So what I'm going to do is show you actually how to read this product. So that way, when you come in, you actually already know what to do. I do train people on how to read this product. I don't train people how to trade. I train people how to read the products, right? So what I want to do is pick a currency pair that I think will be a good trade to get into. And so really all I'm doing to see is, hey, is it in an uptrend or a downtrend? Because if it's in a downtrend, like you see here, I like to draw a line. If you see it's in a downtrend, right, you automatically know I'm only going to be looking for sells, right? And the sell just means that it's going in a downward direction, right? It looks like it's going down, it comes up, and it comes back down. So every time it goes down, right, you see more red candles than blue candles, right? So let me make this a little bit bigger. And so all I'm doing is waiting for it to come up to this red line right here, like you see here. So it's coming up to the red line. And so all I'm looking for is confirmations that, hey, this is a good trade to get into. So it's coming up to the red line, and that lets me know, okay, that's 1 point, because everything goes by a point system. You want to get as most points as possible. If you get a 5-point trade, that's the best trade. If you get 3 points, that's a good trade. 4 points, that's an even better trade. If you get 3 or more points, that's a good trade. So right now we're getting a 2, so that's not a good time to get in. So it's coming up, that's 1 point. You get your down arrow, 2 points. All right. And then what we want to wait for is this black line to cross up to this red line. If it doesn't, you don't get in for the trade yet, because right now we're only getting 2 points. You see it's coming up now. And then what we want to do, we want to wait for it to come back down. So it just updated. Trades come out every 5 minutes. And right now we're on the currency pair EuroCAD right here. Let you know we're on EuroCAD. So what I want to do is go ahead and search for EuroCAD right here. And right now we're getting a 3-point score, so which means that's a good trade. So we're waiting for it to come up to hit the red line, which it did. That's 1 point. You got your down arrow, that's 2 points. And then you got your black line crossing up and crossing down. Right, that's 3 points. And then over here, this does that exact same thing as this one. They mimic each other. So as soon as this one crossed up, you want to wait for this one to cross up as well. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. If it does, that's a really, really good confirmation that this is a good trade. So you see it's coming up, you want it to break down, and then the last confirmation that you want is that you want the bottom number to be stronger than the top. Okay, so let's go through this. Right, price is hitting the red line, which is this blue candle going up and down, is hitting that red line, which is also called a resistance. So it's coming up 1 point, got your down arrow, 2 points. You got your black line coming up, crossing back down, 3 points. Did it come up right here? No. So you don't give yourself a point. but is the bottom number over here stronger than the top? Yes, it is. So you want to give yourself a point. So overall, this was a 4-point score trade. So this was a good trade to get into. So once you identify if this is a good trade to get into, all you want to do is look at the price they're telling you to get in at. So they're giving you the numbers, guys. 672 is where I want to get in. I go to my broker. All right, let me log into my broker. And if you guys want to use this broker as well, I'll make sure I leave my link in my bio. So what I want to do is go to EuroCAD, and I'm taking a 3-minute trade, and now I'm going to reduce my risk. So we say we're going to get in at 675, and right now it's above 675, so that's a good trade. So I'm going to go ahead and hit put, which means we want to sell. And so instantly you can see that it's under my red line because I'm selling, which means I'm expecting the market to go in a downward direction. So it's going to fluctuate. It's going to go up and down, up and down. And what we want to do is we want to wait for that to stay under our red line. If it does, we win this payout. And so you can adjust your risk, right? So if I win this trade, I'm going to win my $2 plus my $1.20. But let's just say you have a lot of capital, right? And you could risk more. So let's just say I wanted to risk $500. If I win this trade, I win my $500 plus my $300. So I profited overall $800. So it's really that easy, guys. All you got to know is how to read the products. So as you can see, it is dropping, right? That's because the bottom currency is so strong, it's pulling it down. So if you guys want more tips and tricks on how to read this product, just go ahead and send me an email that you guys want to learn this. But I'm also taking mentor spots. I'm looking to work with 10 people who want to know how to make money from their computer. Because I want to let you know how easy this is, right? We have courses for you guys to go through, which I will show you. Because I always like to let people know that how I learned my education was simple, okay? So when you guys come in, you're going to get access to our platform. And so you're going to go to our academies, right? And what you want to do, you want to click on time-based trading. Okay. And it gives you all the courses, right? How to understand candlesticks, how to understand the movement of the market, right? So many things, how to properly risk your account. So guys, understand that everything is here all for you. And then the other thing that I really like is that you also get to get on our Go Live, which is our live sessions with our educators. And we have some of the top traders in the world. And so all these educators are pretty much teaching you different strategies. And so if you click here and you pick a channel you want to watch, it brings up all our educators. They come on at a certain day on a certain or a certain day and a certain time. And you just pick which ones you want to go for, right? I like Kimberly Torres. She comes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But also, if you guys are new, we do have new student onboarding every single day because new people are coming in every single day. So guys, understand it is really, really easy. It doesn't have to be hard, especially if you get a mentor, right? Someone who's been doing it for a while. They can show you the ropes on how to navigate through the platform. But also, guys, you get to join our community, right? We have a whole community of people that's doing this. So I'm a part of an organization called the Rich Family. And so what we do is pretty much just celebrate people's success. People post their profits whenever they make money. We got new investors coming in every single day, wanting to learn this skill set. And you guys can be a part of this experience as well. All right. We got daily trainings, right, to create success for you guys. Okay. But we also show this opportunity every single day. So you guys are getting hands-on learning at your fingertips. Okay. So guys, don't sleep because this is the new way of people out of how people are making an income right from home. So as you can see, I won that trade and I did it right here in front of your face, right? All I did was, hey, when it said, hey, this is a good time to get in, all I did was press the put button, letting us know we're going to sell, right? Everything is going down, right? Everything is starting to go down. And then we won the trade. So, guys, if you want to learn more about how to learn this skill set of time-based trading, also known as binary options, or even we call it money in minutes in the Rich family. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how you guys can start making money in the markets in minutes.
Maybe you my type. I could end up with you.